Let's learn about the cable machine. The cable machine is a large piece of equipment that consists of various adjustable pulleys, cables, and weight stacks. It provides resistance for a variety of strength training exercises. There are also different types of attachments, such as ropes, handles, straight bars, wide bars, and triangle rows that you can use to target specific muscle groups and perform a wide range of exercises. You can swap out attachments by depressing the carabiner, removing the current attachment, and sliding in the new one. There are hundreds of variations using different attachments for different exercises, but I'm going to give you a general overview of some of the most common exercises performed and attachments used. Chest presses. You can use 2 cable pulleys to activate the chest, shoulder, and tricep muscles with chest presses. To perform this exercise, adjust the cable pulleys to around chest level or slightly above. Attach the handle attachments to both pulleys. Select your desired weight and make sure it's the same for both weight stacks. Grab each of the handles with an overhand grip and stand in the center between the 2 pulleys. Take a step forward with one foot to create tension with the cables, as well as create a stable stance. Maintain a slight bend in the knees. Begin with your arms bent at an angle. Inhale, then exhale and push the handles forward away from your chest, fully extending your arms. Hold this position and feel the tension in your chest. Inhale and slowly return to starting position. Repeat this movement for the desired number of reps and sets. Chest flies. To work the inner chest muscles more, you can perform chest flies with the cable machine. The setup is the same for chest presses, however, your palms are going to be facing each other instead of with an overhand grip. Inhale as you open your arms in a wide arc, bringing your arms to the side of your body with a slight bend in your elbows as if you were giving a big hug. Exhale and bring your arms together back to starting position. Repeat this movement for the desired number of reps and sets. Cable crunches. Cable crunches target the central muscles of your abs as well as engage your obliques. To perform this exercise, adjust the height of the pulley so it's around mid to low height when you're standing. Select the weight you'd like to use. Use the rope attachment. Grab the rope with both hands, kneel down facing the cable machine, and pull it down to the sides of your head. Inhale. Keep your hips as steady as you can as you exhale and crunch forward, bringing your chest towards your thighs. Squeeze your abs at the bottom of this movement. Inhale and return to starting position. Repeat this movement for the desired number of reps and sets. Bicep curls. You can target your biceps by using the straight bar to perform bicep curls. To perform this exercise, lower the pulley to the lowest point and attach a straight bar. Select the weight you'd like to use. Stand in front of the machine and grab the straight bar with an underhand grip. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart, slightly bend your knees and keep your core engaged. Inhale, then exhale as you pull the bar towards your shoulders while keeping your arms stationary and elbows in place. Squeeze your biceps. Inhale and straighten your arms to return to starting position. Repeat this movement for the desired number of reps and sets. Face pulls. Face pulls primarily target the muscles of the upper back and shoulders, including the rear deltoids, upper trapezius, and rhomboids. To perform face pulls, use the rope attachment on the fixed overhead pulley. Select the weight you'd like to use. Hold one end of the rope in each hand. Step back and create tension in the cable, standing shoulder width apart with a slight bend in your knees. Keep your chest up, shoulders back, and maintain a neutral spine. Inhale, then exhale, pulling the handles towards your face while focusing on squeezing your shoulder blades together. Your upper arms should be parallel to the ground at the peak of the movement. Inhale, and slowly straighten and return your arms to starting position. Repeat this movement for the desired number of reps and sets. Tricep pushdowns. Tricep pushdowns effectively target the lateral and medial heads of the triceps, as well as your forearms. To perform this exercise, use the rope attachment with a fixed overhead pulley. Stand facing the cable machine and hold one end of the rope in each hand. Keep a slight bend in your knees, put your hips back, and hinge. Pull the rope and start with your elbows close to your sides, with your elbows bent and forearms parallel to the floor. Inhale, while keeping your upper arm stationary. Exhale and extend your elbows and forearms to push the rope downward. Fully straighten your arms. Inhale and slowly return the rope to starting position by bending your elbows. Repeat this movement for the desired number of reps and sets. Lat Pulldowns. There's a section of the cable machine dedicated to lat pulldowns. It consists of a seat, padding for your thighs, a pulley for an attachment overhead, and a weight stack. The weight stack may have 1 or 2 pulleys attached. If it's a single pulley, the weight you select is what you'll be using. However, if it's a dual pulley, the weight is doubled. The lat pull-down primarily targets the upper back muscles, including the latissimus dorsi, rhomboids, and trapezius. Select the weight you'd like to use. Sit down on the seat and adjust the thigh pads to secure your legs. Grab the wide bar with an overhand grip with your hands wider than shoulder width apart. Keep your back straight, chest up, and shoulders down and back. Inhale, then exhale and pull the bar down towards your upper chest by engaging your lat muscles. Focus on bringing your elbows down and back, squeezing your shoulder blades together at the bottom of the movement. Inhale, and slowly return the bar back to starting position, maintaining control. Repeat this movement for the desired number of reps and sets. Seated rows. There's a section of the cable machine dedicated to seated rows, which consists of a seat, platform for your feet, a pulley, and a weight stack. Just as with the lat pull-down machine, the weight stack may have 1 or 2 pulleys attached. The seated row primarily targets the muscles of the upper and middle back, including your latissimus dorsi, rhomboids, and trapezius. Select the weights you'd like to use. Use the triangle row attachment. Sit down on the seat with your feet on the platform. Extend your arms to grasp the handles with a neutral grip, palms facing each other. Keep your back straight, chest up, and shoulders pulled back. Inhale, then exhale as you retract your shoulder blades, pulling the handles towards your chest, squeezing your back muscles. Inhale, slowly extend your arms and return to starting position. Repeat this movement for the desired number of reps and sets. You may also find cable machines on the PF360 area, along with other unique pieces of equipment. And you can learn more about that in the video in the top right. Thanks for watching!